80au.
The good old days.
Nice.
I was born in the 90s, so it's fine.
Oedd e ti?
Nah. No, I like to pretend I was.
Dwi'n meddwl.
My telly age.
Mae hwn yn mwydro, yndi?
Yndi.
Reit te.
Right te.
Amser am top tips. Ac yn lwcus iawn, glamorous assistant.
Assistant.
Dyma fo. Iawn. Wel, diolch yn fawr iawn i Dave Jones am gysylltu efo ni, yn deud bod o'n cael problem cofio Rhannau'r Corff. Just can't remember how to say the body parts yn Gymraeg.
Understandable.
Right. Felly, dyn ni yma i helpu Dave. What we want to do, iawn, boys, is think of a way. We've got a sentence i gofio, iawn. Felly, beth dyn ni'n mynd i ddeud ydy people, can, be, lovely. People can be lovely. So remember that sentence, iawn?
People can be lovely.
People can be lovely. Gwir?
People can be lovely.
Iawn? Right, so we've got 2 body parts starting with each of those letters.
Righty-ho.
Right. Matt, na I basio nhw. Ti, you stick them lle ti'n meddwl ydy'r rhan y corff.
Bydda'n ofalus.
Byddwch yn ofalus, Alice.
Right, ble mae'r pen?
Pen, that's an easy one. David, the pen is there. Alan, could you please hold the pen to your pen?
Iawn.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, felly, if pen is head,
Looking
beth
good.
ydy... Mae dynnu'r stickers yn barod. Right, beth ydy pen ôl?
Pen all. Ah, no, pen all is your bum, isn't it? Bottom.
Bottom is a bit polite.
Okay.
More polite.
Try, yeah. Oh.
Nice
Pen
iawn.
all. Neis pen all, Alan.
Right, ta.
Diolch yn fawr, Matt.
Nesa, coes.
Coes. Now, oh, coes. Leg. Oh, good girl. Diolch yn fawr. Leg.
Iawn.
Coes. Stick.
Nesa?
Diolch.
Ceg.
Keg. Mouth? Yeah? Keg. Keg.
I wneud yn siŵr bod ti ddim yn siarad.
Yeah.
Just yn edrych yn glamorous.
Just so we can see it.
te.
Carry on, yeah. Here we go.
Nesa. Bol.
Ball. Now, I usually would say bola.
Ah, bola, bol.
Bola,
Da iawn,
bol.
iawn.
Is that okay? Is it in North
Bol
Wales or
yn
South
y
Wales?
gogledd, bola yn y de.
Diolch yn fawr. Bol yn y north, bola yn y south.
Bola yn y south. Bol.
Right.
Bol babi.
Ball babby.
Bol
Yeah, that's how
babi.
you remember it. That's where the babby goes, in the ball.
Bol.
Babby ball.
Right.
Braich.
Braich.
Arm. Stop. Don't let me work it out. Let me work it out. Arm.
Da iawn.
David, I hope you're following. On click, etc. Braich.
Iawn ta.
Arm. Llaw.
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 Beth ydi codi llaw? Ti'n cofio? You heard codi llaw?
No, I haven't heard codi llaw. Llaw.
To wave.
Wave.
Oh, yeah.
Literally,
is your-
raise a hand.
Raise your
Codi
hand.
llaw.
Oh, llaw hand.
Hand.
Okay, hand. Okay, we'll put that there. So you just,
There you
there we go, there we go.
Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr,
O,
Annie. Ti'n edrych yn bert heddi.
Un arall. Llygaid.
Llygaid. Eyes. Llygaid. Ah. There we go.
Yay, da
Llygaid.
iawn.
Llygaid.
Felly,
So,
mewn parau, in pairs, people, can, be, lovely. Although it's a mae'n dechrau fel lovely. People can be lovely in pairs. Pen ôl, ceg, llygaid, braich bol, etc.
there we go.
Ydy hwnna
David.
wedi helpu?
I hope you appreciate this, David, how much
Help
trouble
neu
we've gone
hindrance?
through.
Ti'n iawn?
Gret, diolch, David.
Brilliant. Now it's time for dysgwyr ar wythnos.
Ti'n iawn.
Dysgwyr ar wythnos.
Ac
Who is
mae
it?
Mark Morgan yn anhygol. Mae o'n dysgu ers 5 mlynedd, only 5 years mae o'n dysgu, ac mae o'n gwneud gradd yn y Gymraeg.
Really? Da iawn.
Gwyliwch hwn.